Good morning, my dear children. Can we start the next lesson? Yeah. The name of the lesson is Tubby the Fat Cat. Lesson number 1, Tubby the Fat Cat. Word fun. First is you are having the pictures. Word fun is that is the first. Two girls are there. They are whispering. What is it? Whispering. So the first picture. So that is she is telling something to the other child. That is a whisper. Saying, that is a whisper. Whisper. Second one, the picture shows the snow. What the picture shows? The snow. When that cat is sleeping, no sound that makes snow. Yeah. Next, pause. Pause. You can see the picture there now. Can you see the picture in your textbook? Yeah. Pause. Next, upstairs. Yeah. Then 2. That is clock. Picture is the first is draw the hands of the clock to show when you go to sleep. So when you go to sleep, which time you go to sleep, you show that you draw the picture of the hands of the clock in the first picture. Next picture, draw the hands of the clock to show when you wake up. So next is wake up. First is go to sleep. So you can draw the. Okay. So one more time I am saying word fun. Whisper, snow, pause, upstairs. Then you should have to draw the hands. The first is when you go to sleep. You show that in the clock. The second one is when you wake up. Okay. Yeah. I am going to read the lesson. All of you take the textbook in your hand and put the finger on the place where I am reading. Andy was a 7-year-old boy. So Andy was not a girl, boy. Andy was a 7-year-old boy. He loved to run and play. He never ever wanted to go to bed. So all the time this boy wanted to walk here and there. And he don't want to sleep in the proper time. He never ever wanted to go to bed. His father said, it is important to sleep and rest. So his father is telling to Andy, oh, it is very important to sleep and rest. In the correct time you should have to go to sleep. His mother said, how will you get up in time for school? So when you are going late to go to bed, you can't wake up early in the morning. So the mother tells her, mother said, how will you get up in time for school? Time to sleep, Andy. It's bedtime. So father is telling, oh, it's time to sleep. It's bedtime. So Andy is telling what? Oh, mommy, wait 5 minutes, please, more, please. 5 minutes more, please. So wait, mommy, daddy. Oh, 5 minutes, then I will go to bed afterwards. You can see in the picture of your textbook. Okay, yeah. So one weekend, Andy and his parents went to visit grandpa. So this papa and mommy decided to go to their grandpa's house weekend. So one weekend Andy and his parents went to visit grandpa. So they decided to go have a visit at the grandparents, grandpa. Grandpa heard all about it and said, so grandpa heard what this Mummy and Daddy is telling about Andy. Grandpa heard all what they said. I think I have an idea. Tubby, my fat cat, can help. So grandpa is telling, എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് എനിക്കൊരു ഐഡിയ പറഞ്ഞു തരാം. ഇവൻ സമയത്തിന് രാത്രി കിടന്നുറങ്ങുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ, എല്ലാ നേരവും കളിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാനൊരു ഐഡിയ പറഞ്ഞു തരാമെന്ന് ആര് പറയാണ്? ഗ്രാൻഡ്പ പറയാണ്. എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് എന്താ ഉള്ളത്? ഒരു ഫാറ്റ് കാറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ടബി, അതിൻ്റെ പേരെന്താണ്? ടബി. ടബി, മൈ ഫാറ്റ് കാറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ഹെൽപ്പ്. Andy's parents took the cat home with them in the car. So what is it? Andy's parents took the cat home with them in the car. Tubby was a slow, fat cat. Most of the time, no one knew where he was. So all the time he was a slow cat, slow moving cat. That is all the time slow. Tubby was a slow, fat cat. Most of the time, no one knew where he was. That night, at bedtime, Andy again did not want to go to bed. So when this cat, they take the cat to the home and at that the same night, this Andy was that parents are telling to Andy, go to sleep, go to sleep. So he is not at all bothering about that. He don't want to go to sleep. So that night at bedtime, Andy again did not want to go to bed. His parents wanted to see if Tubby would do something to make him go to bed. Nothing happened. So these parents are looking forward. Oh, Andy could do something. Then only this Andy will go to bed at proper time. What this cat will do, they wanted to know. What will happen. So nothing had happened the first day. First day, nothing happened. Yeah. That night at bedtime, Andy again did not want to go to bed. His parents waited to see if Tubby would do something to make him go to bed. Nothing happened. എന്താണ് അന്നത്തെ ദിവസം അന്ന് അവർ ടബീനെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോയി അന്ന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് സംഭവിക്കുമെന്ന് പാരൻസ് വിചാരിച്ചു. എന്തെങ്കിലും സംഭവിച്ചോ? ഓ, നത്തിങ് വിൽ ഹാപ്പൻ. ഗ്രാൻഡ് പാ സെഡ് ടബി വുഡ് ഹെൽപ്പ്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ഗ്രാൻഡ് പാ പറഞ്ഞത്? ടബി എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് ചെയ്യും, അപ്പോൾ അതിനോട് കൂടിയിട്ട് ആൻറ്റി ശരിയാവും, ഈ മകൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ മകൻ ശരിയാവും എന്ന് പറയും. ഗ്രാൻഡ് പാ ആരോട് പറയും? ടബീൻ്റെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മനോടും പറയും. But Grandpa said Tubby would help, said Andy's father. Hours later, Andy finally decided to go to bed. So later, so he spent the time walking here, walking there. He don't want to go to bed. So at last he decided to go to bed. Andy decided to go to bed. But what a surprise when he entered his bedroom. So this parents are searching where this Tubby is. They didn't found it. So then this parents are telling to Andy, go to bed, go to bed. He is not at all bothering about that, and he is not at all going to bed. So at that time what happened? What a surprise. Endur Ashcharyam. What a surprise when he entered his bedroom. Tubby was spread out on his bed. He was snoring like a train. അവൻ്റെ കിടക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി കട്ടുമ്പിലേക്ക് വന്ന് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്താ കണ്ടത്? വാട്ട് ഹി സോ? Oh, Tubby was on his bed. What is it? He was snoring like a train. How is it? ഇങ്ങനെ കൂർക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒച്ച ഉണ്ടാവില്ലേ, പൂച്ച കിടന്നിറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ ഒച്ച സൗണ്ട് നോ, അത് ഇങ്ങനെ ട്രെയിന് പോകുന്ന പോലത്തെ ഒച്ചയാണെന്ന്. He was snoring like a train. And he tried to shift Tubby, but he could not move him, not even an inch. അപ്പോൾ ടബി അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇവൻ്റെ കിടക്കയിൽ കിടന്നുറങ്ങുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആൻറ്റി എന്ത് പറയും, അതിനിങ്ങനെ നീക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ശ്രമിക്കുമോ, അങ്ങോട്ട് നീങ്ങി കിടക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നീക്കുകയാണ്. യു ക്യാൻ സീൻ ദ പിക്ചർ ദ. ആൻറ്റി ട്രൈ ടു ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ടബി, ബട്ട് ഹി കുഡ് നോട്ട് മൂവ് ഹിം, നോട്ട് ഈവൻ ആൻ ഇഞ്ച്. ഒരു ഇഞ്ചും കൂടി അതിനെ അങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് മാറ്റി നിർത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ആൻറ്റിക്ക് പറ്റിയില്ല. ദാറ്റ് നൈറ്റ് ആൻറ്റി ഹാർഡ്ലി സ്ലെപ്റ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയോ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടി കിടന്നുറങ്ങി. ആരെടുത്ത്? ടബീൻ്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത്. അവനിങ്ങനെ സ്പ്രെഡ് ചെയ്ത് കിടക്കുകയാണ്, ഇങ്ങനെ നീണ്ട് നിവർന്ന് അങ്ങനെ കൈയും കാലൊക്കെ ഇട്ട് കിടക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ സൈഡിൽ ആൻറ്റിയും കിടന്ന്, ബോയ് കിടന്ന്. ഹിസ് നെയിം ഇസ് ആൻറ്റി. യാ. That night Andy hardly slept. Tubby pushed him into one corner of the bed. So what did Andy done? So he pushed that is Tubby to the corner to the bed. The next day the same thing happened. Next day too the same thing happened. Andy was tired and sleepy, but Tubby was in his bed when he went up. So when he go to bed and when he looked the same thing is happened the next day too. That is this Tubby was on his bed and he could not sleep there on his bed. On the third day, first and second day the same thing happened, and next is the third day. On the third day Andy decided to go to bed before Tubby. So what is it? First day and the second day, who came and slept on his bed? Tubby the fat cat. So the third day what happened? Andy decided, oh, I won't allow Tubby to sleep in my bed, so I will go early and I will go and sleep there. He decided. On the third day Andy decided to get into bed before Tubby did. That night, as soon as his parents said, now it's bedtime, and he ran upstairs and jumped into bed. So the third day what happened? That the parents said, oh Andy, go and sleep there, it's time to sleep. Oh, he rushed upstairs and went to sleep. Rushed to the bedroom. Yeah, he ran upstairs and jumped into bed. His parents could not believe it. Oh, so at that time his parents Oh, he is running fast. Whenever we are telling go to sleep, he won't move from the place. So this today is running fast. His parents could not believe it. They knew nothing about Tubby. So they don't know about anything about Tubby. So what is it? They knew nothing about Tubby sleeping in Andy's bed. So they did not understand why. So they don't know what is happening and he is running. So the parents don't know about that. Why this Andy is running and going to sleep fast. Andy went to bed on time. So on time Andy slept that day, the third day. They were just happy that he did. So the parents are very happy because the moment when the parents told to him go to sleep, he ran fast and went on his bed and slept there. Can you guess where Tubby slept that night? So can you guess where Tubby slept on that night, third day? Can you guess it, my dear children? You should have to guess it and find it out. Okay. Yeah, this poem is adapted from a story by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Yeah. So this is adapted by a story. This is okay. So all the children should have to order. You should have to go through this lesson at home. Read the lesson and then I will explain it in the next class further about that. Okay. Thank you, my dear children.